Lapadabias, big time.
We gotta play airbase.
Lapadabias.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm on a Brittany Taylor shoot right now, and it's crazy. This is one of the biggest shoots that I've been on. I just wanted to thank Brittany for inviting me again. You're always awesome to work with.
Hey Julie.
Yeah?
Are you excited to be on a Brittany Taylor shoot?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Julie, it's okay, Julie. Calm down. Get it, Julie. This one's my favorite.
What?
What? Why are you pointing at me? Say hi, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I've met Chris at Venice Beach.
She's pretty fantastic. She's cool. It was the
Brett, the intern meetup?
No, it was Digitour.
Oh, Digitour meetup, that's what it was. Yeah, I just remember Brett was like, come out here, and I was like, okay, I don't know what's going on. Fun times, and she's awesome.
You and Steve-O.
Steve-O is nuts, and isn't he shy in person? Like, he's crazy on camera, but like when it's in person and he meets new people, he's just like,
This is Joey. He's fantastic. Best cinematographer ever. Ever. Learned so much from this guy.
It's not me.
It's all the camera.
Hey, be nice. She's got a mind of her own.
Steve-O, why are you standing in my bed?
Cause I'm gonna kick your sorry China.
You're gonna kick my.
Yeah.
Why?
Cause you called me a beep word.
I did not call you that.
Yes, you did.
Do you have proof?
Yes, I do. You said it, and you know it.
No, I just said you're a good person.
You said that I was.
And a no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Steve, I'm not gonna fight you. Get down.
Give a shit. Oh, sorry. You chicken?
Yes, Steve, I'm so scared of you. Steve, come down here.
I'm gonna kick your.
Steve, I don't want to get hurt. I'm so terrified right now. So you should calm down.
As you should be.
I don't know what's wrong. I started playing this song and he couldn't handle it. Let me change the song. Maybe that's the problem. Is that better? Oh, much better. Clearly I shouldn't play this song. What is this?